but I can easily file that down. So I want to blend this. I just have to tad a little bit more there and that's it. But you can see the shape. It's not too thick at all.
I've learned so much. Thank you so much. You have really been a blessing because, oh man, I thought when I was in school, I knew what I was doing. And I thought when I got out of school, I was ready to hit the floor, but no. But this has helped me. I really feel like since watching all of your videos and then taking your first class, which I highly recommend to start the first one. But then even from that class, I have truly learned so much. I can hear you in my ear when I'm sitting here doing my nails saying, nope, don't do it like that. So, and I'm always asking myself, what would Ann do in this case? So, you are just an amazing instructor. I can't wait to meet you personally. I'm going to really try to get to your class in person.
Absolutely. Like I said, you're an architect because this is the structure is what I never learned. Structure. Without structure, you can't do anything.
Yes.
It's like the foundation of the house.
Yes, yes, yes. You got it, girl. You got it.
And you can't learn any of this on YouTube. It's just, they give you a lot of little hacks, but nothing like what you gave us.
Oh, good.
So
good.
hopefully, if I can jump into the next class, or do I have to go back and take the first one?